When it comes to flooring quality and value, everything really comes down to three key factors: the quality of the product, the quality of the installation, and how transparent the pricing is. Let's break that down. For luxury vinyl, key factors would include wear layers. This is the clear top layer that protects your floor from dents, scratches, and from daily wear. The thicker the wear layer, the longer it's going to last, especially in high traffic areas and with kids and pets. Core thickness. A thicker core adds stability, provides impact resistance, and hides subfloor imperfections. Manufacturer quality. Reputable manufacturers use better materials, have tighter tolerances, and more consistent quality control during manufacturing. For hardwood flooring, the durability depends on the type and the species of the wood. Some woods are naturally harder and more resistant to dents. Plank construction, like solid versus engineered. How many layers of poly are used? A high quality factory finish protects better than low-grade coatings done in the home. For carpet, performance is driven by density, how tightly the fibers are packed. Denser carpets hold up longer. Fiber types like nylon, wool, polyester all wear differently. The pile, the loop, cut, pattern, styles all affect durability and appearance. Our pricing guide explains these factors in more detail. Come visit us here at Floor Concepts or reach out to us at floorconcepts.com. We'd love to help you out.